What is up, YouTube? We are here. We've made it to Roland Martin Marina. We've made it here, and we are gonna be fishing. The video that you are watching right now, we are gonna be fishing Lake Okeechobee. We already have, so I know how it turned out, but I'm doing this intro afterwards, and so I hope you enjoy this video you're getting ready to watch. So, yeah.
You know, 10 pounder, but they're taking it. Cool, man. There's your first Okeechobee bass.
Heck yeah.
Let me get a picture of it.
Yeah. Hope one doesn't start messing with mine then.
Pliers.
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Alright. There's number one. Broke the ice.
Okay.
Good. Good one?
Not that good.
He's the right color. That's the main thing. There's your first one.
Yeah.
We'll get a picture of that one.
Yeah.
There you go. Got lots of room for improvement. Oop, oop.
Okay.
Stand under the leg.
Set that down.
All right, guys. He's on there good and popping. Big old mudfish.
Oh.
That was a big mudfish. They fight pretty good though, don't they?
Yeah.
Nice there. Easy, buddy, easy.
I'll see we should try out of mine.
Yeah, hooked right there. Better step it up, Reese.
I know.
I found me a spot over here.
You got killer.
Good one, man.
Finally.
It was taking you right in there.
Yeah.
He was on a mission.
That was a good hook set right in the top of the mouth.
Yeah. That fish was not coming off of there, I'll tell you that.
Had him pinned.
Fat little dude, probably
Yeah.
full of shiners. Get him, Reese. Pretty good fish. Awful mad, I know that.
There it is. That's good, man.
Yeah. She went from that corner all the way over under your line.
Yeah, you took a trip there.
Probably can't even see the hook. Yeah.
I can see the end of it.
Take my picture with this one time.
You want it?
Yeah.
Get rid of.
Oh.
You got a big old buck there. Well, I mean, that's a big one. Don't bring him in. I'll take care of him. My pacifier stick up. Look at the teeth on that sucker.
Mm,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Oh, no.
Something just stung the hell out of me. Get him before you can look. Let's see. Damn. At least it came off.
Yeah.
I want to shallow use that kind of deal in too. You only want to fish about 3 feet deep. Yeah. Monster? Ah. 2 beans.
See, he took it right under.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. And I know we used live bait. That's not really what we were expecting, but we went out with a guide, and I mean they kind of tell us what to do. So yeah. And so we're here. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And we're going out the video tomorrow. It won't. Tomorrow's video. Yeah, bug. But tomorrow's video will be. Yeah. Tomorrow's video will be Lake Okeechobee-Day 2. We'll probably still be using live bait, but you know, that's okay. That happens. And yeah, but thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you in the next one. If you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. You know, like this video, give it a thumbs up, do all that. So catch you next time.